Once again, YouTube friends, welcome again to another Hot Wheels unboxing and review. This time we'll review the Aston Martin 177 from the Hot Wheels Exotic series. So this is the fifth car out of that series. So in that series they have 10 cars, and I only got the Lamborghini Aventador Miura, and on this series, and also this one. So I still haven't gotten the remaining cars from that series. So let's crack this one open. So here's the car. It comes in a really cool green paint job, but the shade of this green is somewhat different from the normal green paint job on some cars, because on some angles it becomes silver. So while you move the car, the paint job turns from green, this type of green, to silver, into a darker green again. And so it has front and it only has front tampos. So the headlight has tampos. So it has a solid stripe here on the hood and also at the top of the car. It has no rear headlight tampos. Once again, like most new basic cars, this one has a plastic base. Now I don't know what you call this type of rims, but I've seen some Hot Wheels have this type, or the like this one. So the Datsun 510 also has this type of rims, but this one is bronze or somewhat gold chrome, and this one is silver. So it looks pretty neat on this car. The rims are really large in this car. Pretty good shape. So this has a really sporty look, and the large rims adds to a sportier look for the car. So the air vents here, I really wish that they painted this one black to accent the air vents. And also here, I wish that they painted it black. So again, nonetheless, this car is still really good looking. So that's my unboxing and review of the Hot Wheels Exotic Aston Martin 1. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more videos soon. Keep on collecting. Goodbye.